Let's take up a very small topic, and it is de Broglie waves or matter waves. Questions have been asked on this topic also, and sometimes this topic is clubbed with other topics of modern physics to make a hybrid concept question. Now, de Broglie waves are also known as matter waves. So let's enter into the concept of matter waves slowly. The very first point that we have to know the definition part of it. The waves associated with moving bodies are referred as matter waves or de Broglie waves. Now this concept of matter waves was given by de Broglie, hence the name de Broglie waves. So we say simply the waves associated with moving bodies are known as matter waves. Now when de Broglie introduced this hypothesis, he had 2 points in his mind. Now it was very well established that radiation has dual nature. So it was proved through various experiments. Radiation at times it behaves like a wave, at times it behaves like a particle. So it was well established and accepted fact that radiation has dual nature. The second point which de Broglie had in his mind is that nature loves symmetry. Now if we just go through various discoveries of modern physics, and if we analyze, we find a great symmetry is manifested from microscopic level to macroscopic level. So in scientific community, this has worked as a great guiding principle that nature loves symmetry. So based on these 2 points, that is, 1, radiation has dual nature and nature loves symmetry, de Broglie gave his hypothesis of matter waves. Matter waves means that is the waves associated with moving bodies. Now the next question was, if we are talking about matter wave, then how its frequency or wavelength will be specified. Now de Broglie used 2 relations, that is from the classical theory of electromagnetic waves. He used 2 expressions. The first one, that is Einstein-Planck energy expression for electromagnetic wave, that is E is equal to hf. E is energy, h is Planck's constant, and f is frequency of radiation. The second result from the classical theory of electromagnetic wave, that momentum and energy of electromagnetic wave have a very simple relationship, and momentum of electromagnetic wave is equal to energy of the wave divided by speed of the light. So these 2 expressions, that is E is equal to hf and P referring to the momentum, is equal to E by C. These 2 expressions were used by de Broglie in his hypothesis. Now if we make use of these 2 relations, we get P, that is momentum, is equal to